Need some flex tape.
I
That's
know,
not
need
doesn't fall.
something big. Okay, last example. This one right here, passes through 3, 1, and 2, 4. Okay, we need to fill in the blanks, M and D again. This is the big one. This is the one worth the most points.
This for all the marbles?
This is for all the marbles. Okay, they did not give us M. They didn't give us information to find M in terms of parallel or perpendicular. But we just took an assessment where if you have 2 points, you can get M. We just did it. So that's what we got to do.
We just gotta go last.
Yep. So 1 minus 4, y minus y, and x minus x, 3 minus 2. So 1 minus 4, negative 3. 3 minus 2, positive 1. You can leave it a fraction, but when it's over 1, we do know that that's just an integer. So my m is negative 3. So this is the only one where you have to calculate the m. All the other ones, we can either give it to us, or they tell us it's parallel, perpendicular, and we can just look at the equation. This one, you have to find it by calculating it. Now, we got to find b. Same way that we have found it on every other one of these questions. There's our m. Now this time, we have 2 ordered pairs. We have the ordered pair 3, 1, and we have the ordered pair 2, 4. You can pick whichever one you want, because they're both going to come out exactly the same. So I'm just going to pick the first one just because it's first. If I had one with negatives, I'd probably avoid that one. I don't know. It doesn't matter though. You can pick whichever one you want. So I'm going to plug it in. So my y from that ordered pair is 1. My m I just found, negative 3. My x from that ordered pair is positive 3 plus b. So I multiply negative 3 times 3, negative 9 plus b, and then add 9 to both sides, and b equals 10. Oops. So I go back up to my equation and I fill in plus 10. And I don't literally have to see those blanks. I think it's a good way to show you what you're looking for. But that is the final answer. Y equals negative 3x plus 10. Okay, so let me just recap. On the first example, they gave us m. We plugged it in, and then we solved for b. On the second example, they gave us an equation of a line that it was parallel to. So my slopes are the same. So my m was the same. And then I solved for b. Then the ones that they're perpendicular to, we had to take the negative reciprocal to get our m. And then we solved for b. And the fourth one, the one worth the most points because it has the most work, you have to solve for m using your slope formula that we've already used, and then solve for b. In every single case, you have to get b. They're not going to give it to you. You have to find it to fill in that second blank. Okay?
We're not taking the assessment on this next class, though.